Hey y'all, it's the Southern Woods here. Welcome to the 5th episode of Tour of Toona. We're at Knox Bridge boat ramp over here in Canton off of Highway 20. So we're right next to the highway. Hopefully that doesn't affect the video too much. Let's get some poles in the water and hope this is a good episode. Good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna hit you rapid fire with these scores, all right?
Ass.
Yeah, simply put, all right, fishing luck, we hardly got any bites, maybe a nibble, all right? No fish, right, Nathan? No fish, all right? But I have heard good things about this place, all right? Some reviews, so I'll give a little bit of credit. 1.5 out of 5 stars for the fishing luck score, all right? We didn't catch shit, all right, in the few hours we were here. Let's talk about fishability. All right, there's a limited shoreline. All right, there's some to work with, but overall not a whole lot. Plus it's very overgrown along most of the shoreline. As for the terrain underwater, didn't get hung up really at all, so that's a plus. Not super rocky or snaggy, I guess you could say. So I want to give the fishability a 3.5 out of 5 star. Not terrible. All right, wish there was more shoreline to work with if it wasn't so overgrown. Accessibility, it's free. It's a free small boat ramp. It's probably only busy on the weekends. There was no one here the whole time we were here on a Monday. So pretty easy and accessible. So I'm going to give the accessibility 4.5 out of 5 star. That's the highlight of this place. As for aesthetic, I mean, the view is kind of nice, but you're right by the highway, as you saw and probably heard. Having the constant rush of cars isn't something I'm a fan of. Personally, maybe some people like passing traffic noises, but I feel like most outdoorsmen don't. So that really hurts the score. It was pissing me off. The view itself is okay, but overall it's just not a super aesthetically pleasing place. So I'm going to give the aesthetic score a 2.2 out of 5 stars. All right, one of the low lights here. So that equals a total score for Knox Bridge boat ramp 5.9 out of 10, or 59%. That's failing. That's an F plus. First failing location we've had. Again, it sucks that we didn't catch any fish, but just the fact that it's right by the highway, and the only good thing about it is it's free and easy to access is it. All right, and that's disappointing. But hey, some places are busts, and now y'all know Knox Bridge overall a bust, right, Anthony? Yeah. All right, so if you like this video, if you want to see more fishing videos and whatnot, outdoor videos, food reviews, hit that subscribe button, join the Southern Woods community, and I'll see you in the next episode of the Tour of Toona. Southern Woods out.